Black Rock State Park, Thompson, Waterbury, Connecticut. It's Sunday around 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. It's beautiful here. Usually by Sunday everybody leaves the park. But today seems to be a lot of people are still here. This park is beautiful. This is my favorite park. I love being here, and it's just 1 hour away from our home. We went to the bathroom, so now we're going back to the campsite. Our neighbor left, but the other guy is still here. Pulling in. Here we are. I think I'm gonna lock my car because we're gonna go down to the stream. Are you ready to go? Celine, ready to go? Okay, let's go back, huh? Okay, this is our campsite, our tent. It sleeps 4 people. And getting ready for the fire, the campfire for tonight. Haven't done much yet. I try to keep everything neat and organized. So we don't have a lot of stuff over here. I'm hiding my keys. Not because anybody is gonna come here and steal anything. We left our tent and everything here for the whole day and whole night last night because I had to go work and nobody touched anything. This place is very safe. Let's go, Celine. Our neighbor, they left already. They left some wood, firewood over here for us. Oh, nice. Right there too, Celine, a lot of firewood. Should we go on a pathway?
Yeah.
So we won't roll down? It's very steep over there. Oh. Here are some people. On Sunday night, no one should be here. Everybody goes to work, on the next day, on Monday. So everybody leaves usually. But I see a lot of people still stayed here, including us. Here is the stream. It's beautiful here. We camp on this side where the stream is. The lake is on the other side of the camp. We could have camped over there too, but I think this is the when we came here first time a few years ago. We went there first, and I didn't like it because of the sun. They had too much sun on site. We were like roasting there. This is much better here. It's a lot of shades everywhere. And this is so peaceful. We're just gonna sit here till dark. We had our dinner already, and we're just gonna sit here. Who needs a Wi-Fi, huh? Although Celine is on her phone reading a book. I forgot the lantern, Celine. I have to go back. I'm gonna go back. Oh, it's so peaceful here. Beautiful. These people are just sitting up on a hill. They got beautiful view. Relaxing. Not thinking of anything. Breathing all this good air in. Nice, clean, healthy. It's awesome. And I'm getting my exercise. Going up and down here. Oh. Let's steal some wood. No one is here. Okay. So I'm just gonna take, this is nice, but I'm gonna take the store one. They got it from the store. This one, I don't know where they find it. Here. Whew. So anytime you buy too much wood, firewood, then you just leave it at the campsite for the next guy. Make them happy, you know. Here, one more. That's it. I still have a bundle there. We're gonna burn it. This type of wood burns really, really fast. And I don't know what type of wood is this. The guy couldn't tell me. And I don't know much about it. Okay. I'm just taking our lantern down. Make sure it's working. Yes, it does. It's got a battery in it. A rechargeable battery. So I charged it up already at home. Here is our water supplies. I get the water from there. There is a faucet here somewhere. I'll show you where it is. Just a few steps away. Right there. We bring the water from here. Okay, let's go back. It's gonna be dark in about 10 minutes. Awesome here. So this is Black Rock State Park, Watertown, Thompson, Connecticut.